Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. In today's video, I have the Ferrari of beef, a Carrara Wagyu marble scored 9+ chuck roll. If you come and have a look at this marbling of a 9+, this stuff is through the roof. It is amazing. The deep, heavy lines in the marbling, and this is what we call a chuck roll. People ask me, what else can they slow cook other than brisket or short ribs? And I've come up with this grand idea that I use, and my mate Barbecue Boy uses these all the time. And it's, as you can see, the marbling, I'm lost for words. This stuff is amazing. So I'll show you down this end on a proper chuck roll. As you can see, it is a roll. It looks like a Scotch fillet. The Scotch fillet or ribeye or cube roll follows through down here. Some other guys, they do square cut chucks and all different other names, but they're a lot bigger and they're not concentrated like this that we can use in the slow cook game. So on this end here, I'm just going to take a couple of steaks off that we can still use, and I'll show you what these bad boys look like. That's why it's a 9+. There's another one. That one even better than the last one. Now we'll do a couple of thick ones as well. Just amazing. These will still eat like a Scotch fillet even though it's from the chuck, but it's just the way that this is being trimmed up in a proper chuck roll. It'll eat amazing. And then you can see here, you can see the different muscle groups. 1, 2, 3. You can seam these all out if you'd like, or again, what we're going to do is cut them into a big slab, and then you can slow cook these on your barbecue, same way you'd do a brisket, but just not as big, and they go pretty well. So I'll show you on this one. I'm doing here. You turn it over, and you can just see the marbling. You see all the different specks of it. A bit of fat, but that's fine. Carry on, and then over on this one here, it's just marbling for, I was going to say marbling for Africa as it is. It's amazing. These are cool. And then I'll show you a little seam, what I was talking about, if you want to break it down. You see there? You always see on my other videos saying, follow the seam, follow the seam. So, do here, turn it that way, and we'll just follow this seam on this big part at the top, because this is where a lot of the marbling is. And see that? Just follow the seam, slowly cut into it and just pull. Can't hurt it. And then go there, and that'll be another massive piece to slow cook, marbling. That'll be brilliant. And then if you have a look at this, that is what people will think. Oh, if you didn't know this was a chuck roll, you would think that cut there was the cube roll or Scotch fillet. It's not. It's actually off the chuck. But that's how great this cut of beef is when you get a proper chuck roll. So we can slow cook that. That's going to be one of the meanest pieces ever to do. And again, this is just off a cheaper cut called the chuck roll, but as you can see, it's a 9+, and this is the Ferrari of chuck roll that you can get. And hope you really enjoy this video, and me and my family and my mate's going to love eating this later tonight, and I'll let you know how it goes. And remember to like and subscribe my channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.